What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve the final equation. So you can see here we've got a multiplication equation, a little subtraction with addition, addition and division, and last but not least, we got an addition, division, subtraction, and an exponent. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So first things first, triangle times triangle times triangle is 27. So what cubed is 27? That is 3. So we know the triangles are all 3. Next, we have square minus triangle plus triangle is equal to 6. Again, the parentheses mean that we have to do the addition first. 3 plus 3 is 6. So what minus 6 is 6? That would be 12. So all the blue squares are 12. Next, we've got circle plus square divided by triangle is 24. So order of operation says we have to do division first. 12 divided by 3 is, of course, 4. So what is circle? Circle plus 4 is 24, which means green circle is therefore 20. Now we can solve the final equation, and we have to go in order of operations, right? So first we're going to do exponents. 3 to the third power, that is 27. And then we're doing divided by what's in the parentheses. We have to do the parentheses first. 12 minus 3 is 9. And then we have this division and the addition. Between addition and division, we do division next. 27 divided by 9 is, of course, 3. And 3 plus 20 gives us a final answer of 23 for the win. Boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.